If you think robot vacuums struggle on carpets, think again. The Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni is flipping the script, and it might be the sleeper hit of the year. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you've ever battled pet hair or stubborn carpets with your robot vacuum. The Deebot X9 Pro Omni is a high-end 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that performs exceptionally well on soft flooring, like rugs and carpet, which is rare for most robot cleaners. Its standout feature: a whopping 16,600 PA of suction, combined with blast tech that boosts airflow to 16.3 liters per second when it hits carpet. In real-world tests, it removed 98% of rice from carpet and even tackled pet hair better than many traditional vacuums. It's not just about vacuuming either. The X9 Pro Omni also mops, and not with a weak little pad. It uses an Osmo self-cleaning roller mop that spins up to 220 times per minute and applies 3,700 PA of pressure. That's some serious mopping power, close to what you'd get with a manual mop, but with zero effort on your part. Plus, you can adjust the moisture level so your hardwood floors stay streak-free. It even empties its own dustbin and washes its mop automatically. Battery life got a major upgrade too. Thanks to an EV-grade pouch battery, it runs 2.4 times longer than previous models, meaning fewer trips back to the dock and more efficient cleaning. At $1,419 on Amazon, this flagship robot is built for homes with lots of soft flooring, but still handles hard surfaces with ease. Compared to top contenders like the Roborock Saros 10 series or the Roomba Combo 10 Max, the X9 Pro Omni stands out for its superior carpet suction and its mop roller design. So if you're tired of vacuums that just don't cut it on carpet, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Watch the video in the corner to see how it stacks up against other top-tier robot vacuums in 2025.